There it goes. We'll flush it a few more times. Her sink is backed up though. I guarantee you I know right where that is. Probably in the trip waste. Oh, but they're drawers. It's probably right in the pop-up.
Yeah, it's probably gunk on it now.
But the sink has to drain before I can do that. You shouldn't.
Slime that out of there, whatever it is.
Oh yeah, she's loaded.
Is it?
Yeah. Just put this back on so we can run it a little bit.
Okay.
Gotta love pop-ups. They catch everything.
Oh, God, I know.
Can't get it much faster than that.
Yeah.
All right.
Sweet, thanks.
No problem. Should we leave this little present for your mom?
Yeah.
I'm
No,
just
she'll
kidding.
throw up everywhere. She's got a weak stomach.
All right.
Thanks.
You're welcome.